So it is nice if you have them laid out, because that takes care of your spacing for you. But you just have to program one of them, and then you'll get it. So
Wow.
I'll go over all this stuff. So, and then the other one I did was patterning the larger parts. So it came out like that. And that's kind of where I left off. I did not get to these parts yet, or the outside facade. But we can get into all that while we're here.
Okay, could you open a new file, a new version of this, and just show us one pattern, like do one part and then pattern that operation?
Yep, yep. So I just I've got a job down here already set up, just a blank job,
Okay.
and what is that? So all my new operations, I'll go to that for. So the first thing that I wanted to do is this here. So I went back to the model actually. Where's that? I was kind of back to where it was when I got the file. So I just went in there and did a sketch on this face, and then I just drew lines on this side.
That's the contour.
So that allowed me, yeah, to go in and sketch and do the contour. So I did 2D contour. And then down here, I just take that line and that line. See there, it went on the wrong side from the first one. So I went back to that. Where's, oh, there it is, like that. And then, so that's pretty good, except for we're up in the air where the line was. So I'm just gonna go back in there and move my bottom height down. So the height tab, instead of from that coordinate, it goes to the height. Hit that. So that'll be the bottom height from the tool. And then the other thing I did was, instead of having the tool start right at that contour, I just put a, right here, put a tangent tool each distance. So I just added a quarter inch there. And that little cut that tool back out a quarter inch.
Wow. That's pretty cool, huh, Ben?
So it's alright guys, I can't see it, so if you have any questions or need me to explain something or I'm going too fast, please stop.
Okay, no, that's good. We're with you. I'm recording this too.
Okay, perfect. So, once that's done, then you're ready to pattern it. So, that's something I would do across all these. So I just go here, make sure it's highlighted first,
What's highlighted?
and then go to pattern.
Oh, the
Pattern
operation.
2D contours highlighted. And then I'll say pattern. And you could do linear here and just press distance. But I think it's easier to do the spacing. And the top one's going to be your, as they call it, bottom one. So I'll pick one of the faces for the piece, and then pick all of the other parts. And you can see actually we can do that so fast instead of one hand.
Can you go in both
What's nice is, what's that?
Can you go in both axes? X and Y? Oh, you already did. Never mind. Never mind. Sorry. Go ahead. You were gonna say operation order, preserve order. You can.
Oh yeah. So inside of here, operational order, you can have it go by like if you have multiple operations within the same pattern, you can have it order them by tool, reverse order, or
Oh.
by operation.
Okay.
So then once that's done, you can go back through here. And I don't think you have the documentation of what version I'm looking at, but that's just like
Yeah, you can show the stock if that's what you mean.
so it should go in the order that you selected them as far as your duplication pattern. That's kind of nice feature too. Is now it's going to go straight across in an order. That'll save you quite a bit of time.
All right. This is really helpful, man. And you can do that for the hexagons too, right?
Exactly. So for the hexagons, I just went ahead and programmed one of them. I did all of the operations. This one is using the same tool for everything, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. See, I just went in and did another sketching here actually in order to just zip right across these. And I believe these are through pockets, correct? These
Yeah.
are all the through parts.
Yeah.
Okay. So hey, I just did another sketch on this face, and again I just drew a few lines here from there to here.
How do you get the rest of that little doggone that you're not getting there?
The rest of say that again.
Okay, so your line, the contour that you just drew, right? And it ends on the upper right. But there's more geometry past that that's supposed to be pocketed. But
Correct.
okay, maybe I'm just jumping in too fast. I'll watch you for a
No,
minute.
you're fine. That's right. Yep, we'll get there right now actually. So instead of doing pocket, because like you said, the width of the pocket is narrow enough that the tool will just clear that pocket on the surface and start running around the outside of it.
Hmm.
So I just did a contour. All right, so I front check both of those. Got a tool path jumping into this pocket over here.
Okay.
That line
Uh,
selected. This line selected.
so that means it only goes on the line that you select. It doesn't like run the toolpath along any adjacent lines or connected tangential lines. I lost you. Shit.
Going in and out a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, it kind of went on my end also.
Okay, I'm back. Can you hear me?
I missed maybe 30 seconds worth.
Okay.
Can
But I think
You
all
saw
you
the
did was
sketching?
I saw the sketch, but I think all you did was select that contour then.
I'll just do that again. So I picked the line first, and then I picked one of these, not that, one of these edges. And now I'm going to say tangent propagation. So now it actually selected all of the edges of these. So let's say all the way up to this point. That's where we're going to kind of have an end point. So I'll select this line now. This line. Sketch line. Okay. And then I come over here and select this edge. This edge.
Yep.
So then, the two things you gotta make sure that both of those arrows are on the inside, the correct side of the line. That was probably correct.
I'm still here.
Oh, they're there. Okay. Alright, so, so yeah, that was all the selection, and again, I put a 1/4 inch of path section on there again. What I'm going to do is change my heights again. Go down to selection and pick the bottom face there. And how does that look? Pretty good so far?
Yep.
Okay. So then I just went back after that and did the pocketing operations. Check this. And you'll notice, because that folder there was still active, that my pattern folder, my operation next to it. So I need to go back to my job and I go ahead and right click and activate this one. Drag that operation out there. By itself.
Why do you have that?
That one, now I'm going to go ahead and
Why do you have the folder? Folder 3?
this folder, that folder is the pattern that I did for the
Okay.
so the folder, or if you right click on it, you'll see there that it says edit pattern.
Okay.
So that's where the pattern goes.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and do pocket. That one I found it easiest just because it's a closed console, it's fluffy on the bottom. So I just put in there text. I believe you had a bottom offset in there, is that correct?
Yeah, like 0.02 inches or something like that. Ben could probably. It doesn't really matter.
I think you have some different settings for your entry method, but
What are your depths again? How do you?
with that,
When you go back to your depths, like where do you start it? What's the top of that operation?
I've got it from
Okay. It's going to be cutting. Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. You're right. Okay.
the only thing I just have, I don't, what did you have for your
That's kind of Ben's domain. I think he does like an 8-degree or 10-degree. yeah, 10-degree helix.
So the reason I started with this pocket is because typical inverters are listed on Pro. You'll notice the contour started at the top right here at the bottom. So then I started my pocket at this point.
Oh yeah,
Okay, let's go back. Let's go back into that. And what you want to do is
nice.
select reserve order. When you check reserve order, it's going to go by the order that you selected for the pocket.
That's really cool. So it ended over there on the right slot, and then or the right channel, and then now it just goes to the nearest daughter bone. Okay.
Exactly. And now, and then I left off in this pocket. That way we can jump right into this pocket. So again, I'll do TV contour. Outside edge. Model bottom.
Right.
Not bottom, I guess.
Sure.
Do you have multiple depths turned on?
No, we generally don't.
I think you did have like a ramp around the part.
A ramp around the part. Yeah, Ben, yeah, 8-degree ramp, he says. You can see his chats, right?
Oh yeah. There you go. Sorry, I didn't know you was in there.
I'm talking to Nick, right? Sorry, man.
That now.
Not Scott, I'm talking to Nick, right?
You good?
Nick, Ben mentioned that sometimes the helix operation doesn't work and it just plunges. Do you have any thoughts on that, or would you have to look at the post-processor?
Well, I guess that's a good question. Ben, is that is it showing the helix but it doesn't post it out, or is it not showing it? Yeah.
It shows the helix.
Shows the helix but it's not posted.
Oh, he's saying it doesn't show it. My bad.
Okay. If it doesn't show it, my guess is it's probably due to the ramp diameter and the tool diameter and the size of the pocket. If it can't fit the tool in that diameter or area, then it is. So you might go in there, if you get that problem again, go in there and just modify the diameter of the ramp.
That's pretty typical in this
Otherwise,
program. If the software like doesn't think it's physically possible, it won't show the toolpath, right?
yep. Sometimes you'll get, even though Canvas isn't effective on, but sometimes you'll get a yellow check mark like this over the operation.
Uh-huh.
Right click on that and go to show log. It'll give you some notes. Sometimes it'll say pocket cannot be created using ramp
Ah.
It kind of tells you if it can't ramp it.
So the yellow check means
There's a
it.
warning clear.
That's a warning. The yellow check is a warning.
It's just like, exactly. It means there's some kind of message attached.
Okay. Ben, does that answer your question then? Do you think we can adjust those settings? Okay, good. All right.
Yeah, if you get in there and you have that issue again, feel free to, you guys can shoot me up a quick example of the file and I can take a look at it. So back to this one. Okay, that is. So you see how it's starting over here? I wanted it to start right by where I left off.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back in there. And this time we'll just say entry position. And I'm gonna pick here.
What did you do? You clicked. You clicked on the side of the line?
Entry position. I just clicked. Yeah, you see that little point that it made?
Yeah.
Before I clicked.
So it starts right where you
Check
click.
mark now. Exactly.
Wow. All right.
Now instead of starting on the opposite side of the part, it's gonna start right where I left off. And then do the frame. So it should go bam. recommend doing it like this, doing it on one part to get it all as economical as possible. And then you can go ahead and pattern all those together.
Question from Ben here.
I'll just highlight, I'm gonna hold the shift key, highlight all three of those operations, and go back up the pattern.
Hey Nick, can you hold on 1 second, man?
Oh, yeah.
Ben's saying, will it do the dog bones, which is a pocket, and then the inside contour? Yeah, that's correct, right? The inside contour is that half hexagon. Is that what you mean, Ben? The half hexagon inside? Yeah, it'll do the whole part and then move on to the next part. Is that okay with you, Ben? That's awesome. Okay. So you're...
Yeah, you can mix and match. You know, if you didn't want to do a particular operation, you wanted to come back and do that later, you can do that also. But I just did all the inside, or all three of those operations together. Way to forward loop.
Edit, try edit. Go up to the edit. Expand the toolbar with the... By the SolidWorks logo, there's a forward arrow. Go to edit, repeat.
Well, that's all right. I've got them up here.
One second. I'm answering Ben. Yeah, Ben, I think the folder shows up when you create a pattern. And I don't know. So Nick, the question is, if you create a folder and then put a bunch of operations in that folder, is it going to go through them in sequential order before moving past the folder?
So it's going to go in the order from top to bottom from underneath the job site. So the first thing it's going to do in this case right now is this operation and this one and this one, and then we run through anything that's inside this folder. Which in this case is all these operations. So you'll see it right here. Right now, you'll see this. There's a kind of a hierarchy here. This contours in this folder. These three operations are in this first. So
Can you talk and do this at the same time, or do you want me to leave you alone?
I was just getting us back to where we were. Sorry.
I just had a question.
There's.
Well, go ahead and finish what you're doing, then I'll ask you. It's fine.
Okay. So I got it back where it was now.
Okay.
We got that, and that. So now you'll simply hold shift to highlight all three of those operations, and then go up to pattern and do the same thing. So we'll say duplication, pick this one as our master, and then obviously go through. Now you'll see there's a second pattern from here that's got all those inside of it.
Do you mind labeling those folders for me? We'll just say sidewall and hexagon.
Sure.
It's a little easier for me to. Well, yeah, that's fine. We didn't do the outside contour. And
So you could go back and add that to the folder,
I think that's.
or you could make it its own.
I would like to specifically go through that because the tabs are. They take a lot of time, and we're not sure if we're doing them the best way possible or not. Maybe you can help us with that. Do you know? Have you seen? Do you understand? Like, have you seen how we do it? I can explain. Have you seen how we already do it?
Yes, I saw you had.
There's two operations.
That.
Well, there's two of them. One from the top down to from the top of the part down to the top of the tab is one outside contour. And then.
Oh, okay. I see that.
And then,
Okay.
and then what we do, if you go in and look at how we highlight the geometry, you can zoom in. Zoom in on a tab. And then,
Or if you actually go out and around it, kind of.
yeah, we don't cut we don't cut the edge of the tab that's facing us because we want that to remain connected to the material. So we have to select.
You're just gonna break that off later.
Yeah, we select. I wish I could control this, but we select the right corner, or you can see for yourself even. Actually, can I share my screen?
Okay, that's what you got.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or you see what we do. You see.
There, correct?
Yeah, here I can show you real quick, I guess.
Alright. I'll make you do that. Shoot it pop up here.
Download. Okay, do you see my screen? I'll make this quick. All right. So for the tab to bottom, I think it's slow because I'm recording and presenting here. I'll clear all these. All right. So we turn off tangent propagation, and then I select this side of the line, not that side. I select this one, and then it sends the selection across this way. I start there and then end on this side. And then, do you see that? And then I come back over here, start here, and then end here. And then I start here, and end here. So, yeah, we're just, the first operation here, from this face to the top of here, and then we go, on this operation we go from here, and then the selection is top of tab to bottom. So I'll stop presenting now.
So your first pass,
Go ahead.
so your first pass is completely around the part at that at the top of the tab stuff.
Yep. Yep. So maybe there's a better way to do it. I don't know. But now with the patterning feature, it doesn't really matter. I mean, it's going so fast anyway, but yeah.
Yeah, so, I mean, I guess you could, once that part's done, just go ahead and go around and do this part, correct? So you just make that part of this pattern?
Yep. Let's do that.
So we could just say, PD, cancel, first pass.
Yep.
Doc top to selection on the path. We're having to make them busy over there. That one could go. Here. Bottom bound. Top bound. This is the same thickness as the part, correct?
Yeah. So that's how you would do it, huh?
Yep, because now, since that folder was active, if I highlight this, it should do the same thing to all of them. Actually, my pattern's on the wrong side, was on the wrong side, so that's not great.
I think we get the idea, though. If that's how you would do it, we're all good. We can save the time going back to fix that. Ben, did you have any other questions? Should we get into like Ben, not right now. Okay. I had a question, Nick.
Yeah.
Um, when you start a job, do you insert a coordinate system? Yeah, you do, right? So relative stock, so no additional stock, use the coordinate system that we self-define, blah, 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 that's fine. Okay. Um, huh. Let's ask him this stuff. Can I share a file with you, or is that okay?
What's that?
Can I share a file with you real quick?
Yeah. You just email it to me.
Ben, why don't you engage Nick in any like questions you might have for 3 minutes while I get this file sent over. Um,
There is also, I had talked about this, but there's also like an comment pattern which will be more helpful for these because they're not all oriented the same direction.
Yeah, if you want to show us that.
So again, I do the same process as earlier. Draw a sketch line all the way across here, so that way it's just across it. Did I already do that? Okay. Yeah, I'll just do it real quick. Sketch lines here. Contour. Start here. That one.
Okay.
I put that 1/4 inch tangent extension in there. So there's that operation. So yeah, the big difference being on this one is we've got a different the hyperlink.
So they're oriented differently, but the pattern can still be used.
What's that?
So the parts are oriented differently,
Yeah,
but
patterns will still be used.
okay. Let's see that.
So you just want to do, if you want to do the component pattern, say this one, and then it will automatically pick the other ones if you have auto select instances turned on. The problem I was having with that is sometimes the order is not optimized very well. So see how it jumped way over here.
Yeah.
It's not optimized very well. I don't know for sure that this will fix it, but we can try doing
All right.
Yeah. So yeah. If you uncheck it, that will let you optimize it a little bit better.
Man, this is really helpful.
Alright. So, let's see here. Did you send that part over,
Uh,
Eric?
Oh, right. It was uploading. Let me check on the upload state. Yes. Okay, I just sent it now. And uh, so Ben's question was if the tool diameter is less than the pocket width or insufficient to cut out that entire pocket in like one or two passes, what operation would you use? So we're kind of like using a trick here, right? It's the contour,
Right.
but how would you actually like clear a pocket that's bigger than the tools?
Okay. I see it. So you asked about pocketing versus adaptive. Good question. So adaptive is okay. It's great for especially metal machining. Um, the issue with using it on your parts, I would say, if you're looking for finished product with one pass versus adaptive is really meant to be a roughing strategy and then come back to with another tool to do a finishing pass. Not that it won't work for yours, but what it's posting out with adaptive is a bunch of point-to-point movement, so it may not give you the right type of finish. However, the pocket will get you good marks and everything else for all those curves and different features of the one pass. So I would probably recommend using pocket for that. With that said, there's actually kind of a backdoor method to use contour also, where
Well, the file I sent was all about engraving pockets, so maybe you want to pull that up and you could demo on that.
yeah, I'll take that real quick. Which file is it?
Oh, right, good question. Can you expand that and then sort by type for me? I would go with Grow Square Assembly. It's the third from the top.
That one?
Yep.
Okay. Let me take a look at that. It doesn't have to open secret folders, so let me go through this real quick.
Are you still there?
Okay, this one?
Your screen froze.